Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got a lock for you. It's by Jeffrey Post. It's number 25. There's bidding on a key. Works fine. Let's see about getting into this guy. Yeah, let me rearrange him in my hand here. Okay. Let's see what it takes to get in here. That just doesn't feel right. Sorry about the camera, guys. Okay. Go to the back again and work forward. Interesting. Okay. Well, not getting much. Little click there. Felt like a little movement. Oh, and we're open. Okay. Nice. I'll take that. Let me clear out some space here. Get a pinning board. Okay, let's see. I think this is just a push off. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Here's a clip. As you can see, it's open. Ooh, well, I don't want to go in there. There we go. All right. Cool. All right. Every pin need to be picked. I think that's, yeah, it looks like it goes either way. I don't know. Okay, let's go up top. Where's the top here? Like that. This could be really kind of, I'm excited, guys. Okay. That came out like that. Oops, sorry. You guys can't see much, this lighting. Gosh dang it. Well, that one looked like it came out that way. God. It's running all over the place. It's going to take me forever. Hang on. Let me try something else. Maybe right here. Maybe that'll help. Okay. That was just a standard. Where'd it go? Oh, it went. Where'd it go? Shoot. I lost it, I think. No, maybe not. Is it in there in the tray? I guess so. Okay. Oh. Wow. There's a double spring on that one. I'm going through the back on this last one. Man, we're doing good today, guys. We're doing really good. Wow. Okay, that's a standard. Well, Jeffrey, take a look at these pins and tell me if they're in the right way right now. If that's the way they were, these parts facing down. I'm pretty sure they were. Let's see what's in top here. Where's my little, there we go. Little extra light. Nothing in 1, 2, or 3. Nothing, wait a minute, there looks like in 3 there's threading way deep. Also in 5 there's threading way deep in there. So maybe they are to catch that. Okay, yeah, that would make sense. All right. And in the plug we had, looks like threading in 1 and 3. Sorry for a long video, guys. And smooth everywhere else. Okay, so that's what's in Jeffrey Post's number 25. Thank you for putting this out in the community, buddy, and letting us pick at it. Here's the pins. You got a kind of a serrated, reduced down, kind of a trap type pin. Standard, double serrated and standard, and at the top you got serrations and small serrations and then big serrations in number 2, standard, 1 serration in number 4, and standard in number 5. Okay, that'll do it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.